y'all, it's Shea Beauty and welcome to my channel. Here is how my hair looks. It looks pretty good, if I must say, for 2 weeks of not washing my hair. If you'd like to see how I achieve these curls, click the iCard right here. But I have been so busy. There's been so many things going on. I went to Georgia twice this month. Also, I just have been busy with other things as well. But here's how my hair looks. I really do like it, but it is time to wash my hair. Many of you know that I really strive to wash my hair at least once a week. That is the goal. Every week to wash my hair, but sometimes being a mom of 4, also doing my YouTube or traveling, just doing a lot of different things, sometimes that's not always the case. So I am going to do a full wash day routine, and I know many of you love my wash day routine, so I made sure that I filmed it. I have this little scarf on. I thought it was really cute just to add a little bit of flair to my wash and go. I really love accessorizing my outfits, and that went really well with the outfit I had on. As you already know, I'm going to separate my hair into quadrants. It doesn't look dirty, but I have a bit of itching, so I need to make sure that I do wash my hair. I know some of the curls have been clumped together from the gel, so I'm just gonna try to separate my hair.
That's why I am in love with you. You give me the...
Alright, so I still see some definition here. I just really love how my hair looks. And there's a little bit of frizz. I mean, it's been 2 weeks, so it looks good for 2 weeks. Let me show you the back, because I know many of you love to see the back of my hair.
Anything you want me to do, don't let it slip away. There's a quiet storm.
I will be starting this wash day pre-pooling my hair. You know that I always do a treatment before I shampoo my hair, and today's treatment will be pre-poo. So the other 2 options that I always do is either the olaplex treatment or ACV rinse. Next week I will do an ACV rinse. And it feels good. It feels nice and soft. It doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel brittle. And that's because I'm always moisturizing my hair with water. Also, I seal in that moisture with oil. So I'm doing that about every other day, just because I don't want my hair to dry out and get tangled. So that's another thing. Many of you have asked me questions about my hair being tangled, or what do I do if my hair gets tangled, or if I could put any suggestions out. I will say that I have noticed that my hair doesn't really get tangled. I really think that my hair has kind of been trained a little bit, because I'm constantly combing my hair, and the products I use and the ingredients, I don't know. I just know that my hair does not really get tangled. So with that being said, I am going to mix some water in my hair, add some moisture, and then I will be pre-pooing my hair. So I have this pre-poo mixture right here, and it has many different oils in it. I know that it looks really dark, so it looks different than what I have been using before. I have done a little bit more research, and I found pumpkin oil and also red palm oil to be good for the hair. So I mixed that in with some olive oil, also coconut oil, and I have ylang ylang essential oil, rosemary oil, and tea tree oil in here. So all of these are good products for the hair, and I know that it has a lot of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. So here is my mister bottle right here. I'm just gonna mist that in my hair. And this is just gonna help me when I'm separating my hair, so I can put the oil in my hair. And we can start this wash day right now, because it is, let me see, I think it's 6 o'clock right now. It's 6:38. So I need to get this going, because I don't wanna get tired. That's the worst, when I'm tired and I'm doing my hair. So that's enough water in my hair. I'm just going to kind of smooth the water in. And I'm just gonna take a small section of hair in the back, like that. And what I like to do is just spray a little bit more water in my hair, because I want to add some moisture in. Ooh, my curls, it's like the water refreshed my curls. Alright, so then I'm just going to put some oil on my hair. Run that in. So pre-pooing is really good. I love pre-pooing my hair. I started doing that after I got my big chop. So for many of you that are wondering how I started my natural hair journey, I just did the big chop. My hair was really long. My hair was a lot longer than it is now. So rather than transitioning and continuing to keep cutting my hair and going to the salon, I just decided to do everything all in one.
You give me the sweetest taboo. That's why I am
And also make sure that you are getting the ends of your hair. They are the oldest, so they do need the most TLC.
Good for me. Do anything for you. I'd stand out in the rain. Anything you want me to do.
So I am going to use a wide tooth comb also, just to help smooth in this oil. I just want all of my hair to get all the nourishment of this pre-poo. So I have implemented the pre-poo process in my wash day for years, and I could tell a huge difference in the health of my hair overall. I just noticed my hair just retains moisture. It does not get dry. My hair is so much healthier ever since I started pre-pooing my hair. I mean, there's many components to healthy hair, but pre-pooing is definitely a must. You could see how moisturized my hair is just from adding the water and these oils. It makes a huge difference. If you're not pre-pooing, I suggest that you try it. You don't have to use the oils that I use, but use some oils in your hair and you'll thank me later. And here is my wide tooth comb I'm going to be using, and my hair is not tangled. I just like doing this just to make sure all the product has been worked in my hair well. And once I've combed my hair a good amount of times and I know that there's no tangles in my hair, I am going to twist it up and then continue this process on the rest of my hair. And I noticed that twisting my hair also helps to keep all the moisture in my hair. My hair has really been thriving lately, so I want to share all my tips with you. That's what I'm here to do. That's why I started my channel, to help anyone with their natural hair journey, and many of you have let me know. I have been helping you and it means a lot to me.
If I tell you now, will you keep on loving me? If I tell you how I feel, would you keep on bringing out the best in me? You give me
I have finished twisting my hair and here's how it looks. I could already tell that my hair is really absorbing all the oils, and these twists are super juicy. I'm going to continue this to the rest of my hair. I just wanted to show you how my hair is looking so far. Okay, so I have finished pre-pooing my hair, so now I am going to eat, and that should take about 20 minutes, and then I will shampoo my hair. So I will see you in the shower. After about 25 minutes of having these oils in my hair, it is so moisturized. My hair feels so good. I'm just going to take these clips out and unravel the twist and begin to shampoo my hair.
That's why I am in love with you. You give me the sweetest taboo.
I'm making sure that I rinse the oil out really good so that I can shampoo my hair.
Do anything for you.
My hair not only feels very moisturized, but also really soft. Now I'm going to shampoo my hair, and I'm using Shea Moisture's African Water Mint and Ginger Detox and Refresh Hair and Scalp Gentle Shampoo, and I absolutely love this shampoo. It not only cleanses my scalp but also my hair, but it's not stripping. That is very important for me. I do want a shampoo to really cleanse my scalp and my hair, especially if I haven't washed it in 2 weeks. I really want my hair and scalp to be clean, rid of all the dirt, the buildup, the excess products, just all of that I want out of my hair so I can start fresh.
Give me the sweetest taboo. That's why I am in love with you.
When I first apply the shampoo to my hair, I'm really focusing on my scalp because that tends to be where all the excess dirt, oils, and gunk product buildup is located. And I really want to make sure that I get rid of that because when you have a clean scalp, you have a healthy, happy scalp. So that is what I'm aiming for. Also, I'm just using the pads of my fingertips. I'm not actually using my nails to scratch my scalp because that can cause irritation and I do not want that. And when I rinse the shampoo out of my hair, I make sure that I rinse all of it out of my hair. I don't want any irritation later. So now it's time to apply the conditioner, and I make sure that I apply the conditioner to soaking wet hair. I will be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen Restore Conditioner. I really like this line because it really helps to restore and strengthen my hair, which is definitely what I need. And I'm applying it in subsections, and I'm going to make sure that I work the conditioner well in that section and then also comb the conditioner in. This ensures that your hair is really getting the TLC that it needs from the conditioner. And after I finish combing the conditioner in, I'm going to twist that subsection of hair up, and then I'm going to continue on the rest of my hair.
If I tell you now, will you keep on loving me? If I tell you how I feel, would you keep on bringing out the best in me? You give me that sweetest taboo. You give me the sweetest taboo. Too good for me. There's a quiet storm, and I never felt this way before. There's a quiet storm, that is you. There's a quiet storm, and I never felt this hot before. Giving me something that's taboo. Sometimes I think you're just too good for me. You give me the sweetest taboo. That's why I am in love with you. You give me the sweetest taboo. Sometimes I think you're just too good for me. Do anything for you. I'd stand out.
And after I have applied the conditioner to all 4 sections, it's time to rinse it out. And my hair feels so good. It feels really nourished, and that is important for me. I really want to balance moisture and also protein in my hair. I don't want to have moisture overload or protein overload. So when I do use products like this, I do get the best of both worlds. So my hair is nice and balanced, and I make sure that I rinse the conditioner out completely.
Never felt this hot before. Giving me something.
And now it's time for deep conditioner. I will be using Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Macro Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. And this is one of my favorite masks from Shea Moisture because it is very thick, and it also helps to hydrate and keep my hair nice and moisturized. And when I apply the deep conditioner, I apply it to one section as a whole. I don't separate it as I did with the conditioner. By this time, my hair is so porous and receptible to drinking that deep conditioner in. I don't have to separate it. My hair feels so good, and the deep conditioner just adds that extra that I need. I have a lot of hydration, a lot of moisture, and my hair is so soft, and I love when my hair feels like this, especially on wash days, because I know that my hair is going to be nice and prepped for any style that I do afterwards. And to help intensify the deep conditioning process, I will be using this cap. It's a platinum deep conditioning cap by Evolve. And what it does is it's going to use your body heat just to generate and allow the treatments to penetrate the hair cuticles and the hair shaft and condition your hair. And I kept the shower cap on for about 15 minutes while I did my weekly spa shower. Now I'm just going to rinse the deep conditioner out of my hair, and my hair feels so good. I wish that you can feel it. Anytime that my hair looks and feels this way, I know that the style that I'm going to do afterwards is going to be so good. Now I'm just going to wrap my hair up with a cotton t-shirt. This is just going to allow it to soak up the excess water without causing any friction in my hair. And that's it for this wash day. I really hope that you enjoyed my tutorial, and let me know in the comments below if you learned anything new, and I'll see you in the next video.